Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's small bathroom Powder Room Makeover Series, we will first create a clean slate with a mini demo, a fresh coat of paint, and install this gorgeous wallpaper. If you missed the bathroom decor shopping haul, check the iCard or thumbnail link at the end of this video. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box below for more information as well as affiliate links. We are adding a fresh coat of paint to the bathroom, all except the back wall, in the color Cottage White. This wallpaper is an off-white with metallic imprints. It will be applied to the back wall only. The adhesive is not fast drying, therefore you have plenty of time to coat and maneuver each panel as well as make adjustments once placing onto the wall. We set up this workstation in another room, to cut and properly coat each panel. After coating, a slight fold toward the center on each end makes better handling and can be easily pulled apart, as will be seen in another clip. The adhesive is applied on the wall, one section per panel at a time, making sure each section is coated wider than the panel. Notice adhesive is applied over the starting line. The adhesive is water soluble. Use a damp cloth to easily remove any residue that may get on the wallpaper. Patiently lining up and applying the first panel correctly is the key to successfully hanging wallpaper. Using a smoothing tool and roller to remove air pockets in order to flatten and adhere the panel onto the wall. We use the smoothing tool and X-Acto knife to trim the excess wallpaper at the top and bottom. Line up the next panel to match the pattern and repeat the process. Off camera, we cut around the back plate to the light fixture and vanity mirror. Don't forget to check out the bathroom shopping haul and stay tuned for the beautiful marble vanity install. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.